Just as pollution was a side effect of the Industrial Revolution, so are the many security vulnerabilities that come with the current digital revolution and our increasing internet connectivity. Cyberattacks are exploitations of those system or software vulnerabilities. These attacks could be for monetary gain or just to disable a company's ability to do business. Unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you've heard that cyberattacks are an increasing threat for businesses of all sizes. Small businesses are attractive targets because they have information that cyber criminals want, and they typically lack the security infrastructure of larger businesses. Small business are most vulnerable to cyber attacks because they generally can't afford professional IT staff or a dedicated cyber threat department and have limited time to devote to cybersecurity, and in most cases they don't even know where to begin. That's where this set of targeted and easy-to-consume instructional videos come in. In this set of videos we'll examine the most common cyber attacks that businesses are facing and ways to avoid them. Designed to educate individuals and businesses about ways to counter cyber attacks using a variety of security measures and just good old common sense. This collection of videos will cover specific cyber threats, how a business may be vulnerable, and how to take steps to improve cybersecurity using the current best practices.